Hello and welcome to a Friday show and tell. Today is going to be a quick little tip when using syringes for dosing medications, and this is something that I've discovered and would like to pass along. Now, for larger medications, right, we often can use these larger dosing cups. I often save these cups for mixing epoxies or small amounts of adhesives for around the workshop. But when dosing medications that are smaller amounts, like in the 0.5, 0.7 milliliter range, they'll often give these syringes. One thing that I have found is that the label smears off very easily. And so I have learned to take a piece of electrical tape and wrap it around the top portion of that line of that medication. That way, throughout the week as we're providing these medications, I don't lose that line from every time that I use it or clean it. And that tape just maintains that line for whenever this completely wipes away. This one is starting to fade away and starting to wipe. See, I'm taking it off right now. This other one is completely gone. So, electrical tape. Electrical tape is your friend. And can help you with these syringes. Thanks for joining me for the show and tell. If you liked today's episode, please press the thumbs up. If you want to see more content, please subscribe. Thanks and have a wonderful weekend.